Hello Virgo, mga ka-UVG, tingnan natin kung anong ganap sa'yo. Kamusta kayo dyan? Maraming salamat po sa mga comment nyo, sa like, sa mga new subscriber. Welcome po. Para po sa mga hindi resonate better luck next time po. Para po sa mga resonate alam nyo na pong galawan. Okay, so Virgo, tingnan natin kung anong ganap sa'yo. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Maring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap. High Priestess and the Sun card. Ang ganda. Cross Watcher. Bahala ka na. Si Virgo, tingnan mo naman. Knight of Wands. Layer type energy. Go-getter energy. We will see. But with the 8 of Swords at the bottom of the deck, hindi ko alam kung sino stuck. Virgo, lakas ng intuition mo. Okay, at this very moment. Okay, so tingnan natin. Clarify the High Priestess, please. So nakikita ko dito, Virgo, you're chasing your own happiness here. I think ginaguide ka ng intuition mo. Okay. Para bagang meron akong feeling na ang intuition mo is may nagsasabi sa intuition mo na you need to make things done because the light at the end of the tunnel, yun ang naririnig ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano mag-make sense yun mamaya pag na-clarify ko each card. Pero hindi ko alam kung mentally stuck ka, physically stuck, or emotionally stuck. I don't know, but we will see. But I think merong sinasabi ang intuition mo dito, Virgo, na you need to move towards your own happiness. So, go-getter energy, okay. Go-getter energy, pero tingnan natin kung anong clarification kung may taong iba dito or baka ikaw to. Itong spread na to, baka sa'yo to or person that you're connecting with. Clarify the High Priestess, Ace of Cups. 2 of Wands. You are planning something, Virgo, with the Strength card. And the 4 of Swords. You are on the process of healing, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung galing ka sa may recovery kasi ako nakikita dito. Ito recovery card to. Hindi ko alam kung mentally, emotionally, or physically. You are healing here, Virgo. You are healing on something here. Hindi ko alam kung mentally yan or physically. You are on the process of healing. Okay. Together with the Ace of Cups naman at saka the 2 of Wands. 2 of Wands, Virgo, is like, you can see, as sinasabi ko kanina, na naririnig ko, you are seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. Kung ikaw ay stuck, okay, kung ikaw ay stuck, igina-guide ka dito ng High Priestess. High Priestess is your own intuition. You are seeing the situation black and white. Hindi ko sinabing from negative to positive. Okay. Kino-control mo siya, what I mean, tinitingnan mo yung mga posibilidad, okay, na mangyari. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Mga parang feeling ko nasa isip mo ka ngayon. You're all about the mind at this very moment. Okay. Nakastambay ka sa isip mo ngayon, Virgo. And you are in the process of healing. If you feel stuck, Virgo, yung intuition mo, ginag-guide ka niya sa light. Okay, nakikisilip mo na yung there is a light at the end of the tunnel actually here. Okay. Pero meron kang energy with the Knight of Wands here. Knight of Wands is making things done. You know what I mean? But you need to follow your intuition. Ace of Cups is like new love, new beginning, or maybe this is yourself only. You need to love yourself more. Okay. Parang feeling ko magpo-focus ka dito more on yourself. Ace of Cups, recovery. Okay. Recovery. Okay, so Virgo, hindi ko alam kung saan ka nag-heal. Maybe physically or maybe mentally. You are loving yourself more. Prioritizing yourself more here. Okay? Yun ang sinasabi ng intuition mo. Parang feeling ko, hindi naman lalabas ang Four of Swords tsaka the Strength card kung hindi mo napabayaan ang sarili mo. Okay. Five of Pentacles and Page of Swords. Okay. Five of Pentacles, I think if you are lacking, Virgo, I think nasa internet ka. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Sorry, excuse me. Kung anong sinesearch mo dito regarding sa internet. If you feel that you are lacking on something, maybe financially, maybe emotionally, maybe you are lacking. Okay? I think you are searching more information about the things that you are lacking. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Marami kang sinesearch about sa mga anong dapat mong gawin. I think yung intuition mo dito nagbibigay ng sign sa'yo araw-araw, minuto, segundo. Okay, the divine is in your side. The divine is within you. Okay. Ang High Priestess, marami siyang information, marami siyang downloads. Okay. Regarding sa situation or regarding sa situation na papasukan niya o sa papasukan mo. Yun ang High Priestess. All about intuition, all about pakiramdaman. Okay, it's all about knowledge. Ang dami mong information. Kasi kung makikita mo dito, ang High Priestess is meron siyang papel. All of that is information. Okay, Virgo. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Pero isa na dito sa information mo na sinasabi ng intuition mo na you need to take care of yourself more. Okay? And I think you are planning something here. It's all about yourself here in the first row. Okay? You are lacking something with the Five of Pentacles. A scarcity mindset, feeling financially lacking, mentally, physically, emotionally lacking, Virgo. But I think you are finding solution into that. I think naghahanap ka ng solusyon regarding sa mga bagay-bagay na wala ka or sa mga bagay na kailangan mo punan sa sarili mo. Okay. I think you are healing here. Strength card in the Four of Swords. Okay, Virgo. Yun yung nakikita ko dito sa first row. Tingnan natin ang the Sun card. Six of Swords, Eight of Cups, the Judgment card, and the Star card, Healing card again. I think, Virgo, with the Sun card, you need to move. Okay, ang requirements dito sa the Sun card, ang the Sun card is the happiest card in the deck. Okay, so you need to walk away on something na nagpapalungkot sa'yo. Okay. Six of Swords is moving into calmer water. Okay. Eight of Cups is walking away into something that wala na, empty. So you need to remove yourself into the situation na alam mo wala kang patutunguhan sa sitwasyon na yun. So you need to search about places or things or people na alam mo mai-ignite ulit yung passion mo, yung nagkakaroon ka ulit na parang motivated kang magising sa araw-araw. It's more together with the Star card and the Judgment card, Virgo. I think meron kang calling dito that you are going to be in the public eye. Yung nakikita ko with the Three of Cups, definitely, and the Nine of Pentacles. You are going to be in the spotlight. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang sinasabi ng intuition mo sa'yo, Virgo. Okay? Kung feeling lack ka man ngayon, kung may feeling mo sa sarili mo na ang daming kailangan mong punan. Okay? Ang dami mong kailangan punan or ang dami mong kailangan gawin, ang daming kulang or ang daming nakulang sa'yo, ang daming nawala. Pag iniisip mo yung time, yung panahon, mga nasayang, resources na mga nasayang. I think with the High Priestess, sinasabi ng intuition mo na you will take it as a lesson. Okay? You will take it as a lesson and a stepping stone. Anyways. Okay? No regrets, only lesson. Yun ang magiging mentality mo dito, or yun ang nagiging mentality mo at the moment. Okay? And then with the second, nasa second row Virgo, sa nakikita ko with the happiness card here, you need to walk away first. You need to move into calmer water. Merong calling ka dito with the judgment card and the star card. With the 3 of cups, ito. With the 9 of pentacles, paying your own bills, taking care of yourself, as I said, with the ace of cups, together with the 9 of pentacles. This is a single card. People is celebrating you. 3 of cups is a reconciliation, celebration. People are community. Together with the star card, I think you are going to be in the spotlight, Virgo. And this is gonna be, I think, mapifeel mo yung happiness. Yung happiness na sinasabi na bliss. Na matagal mo nang hinahanap. I think, sinasabi ng intuition mo, wala yung happiness mo in the outside world. Ang happiness mo is inside. I think you need to search yourself here, or parang yun na nga ang nangyayari, na hinahanap mo ang sarili, nasa proseso ka ng paghahanap ng sarili. Hindi ko naman sinabi mo wala ka, Brad. Pero ang sinasabi ko lang is merong part sa'yo na kailangan mong hanapin. Okay. Five of Pentacles and the Page of Swords. I think meron kang mentality din na wala ka nang magagawa. Hindi mo makokontrol ang kung ano man ang nasa palibot mo, or kung ano man ang nasa environment mo. Ang pinaka-the best lang na magagawa mo is kung paano ka mag-respond sa situation. Kung paano mo i-handle yung situation. Okay. At saka, I think, when you are in the healing process, ang dami mong download dito, Virgo. Ang daming download sa'yo dito. Okay. Past situation, past decision making, mga maling decision mo before. I think, meron kang final judgment dito na you need to walk away. There's nothing in there. Kumbaga, paano ka ni Lord bibigyan ng panibago kung walang space? So, you need to move out, or ikaw mismo move out, or ikaw ang magtatanggal ng mga, alam mo yun, gets mo. Kasi meron ka dito calling with the judgment card and the star card. You are being called to be in the public eye. Tell me more about the star, together with the full card, Major Arcana. Tell me more. Full card and the star card together with the 5 of swords. I think people will look up to you with judgment. Hangas, parang may mga taong hahanga sa'yo, but at the same time mag-question sila sa sarili nila, or i-question nila yung ang daming how come, paano si Virgo na lagpak dati, tapos bigla-bigla na lang. Ano to sa akin ang 5 of Swords is a conflict card, very conflicted. Okay, kung makikita mo ang the full card dito, na nakita ka nilang nag-take a leap of faith ka, na they think hindi mo kayang gawin by your own or by yourself. Okay, but saan nakita nila? Tingnan mo naman. With the 9 of Pentacles, you are paying your own bills, taking care of yourself, smelling good, feeling good. You know what I mean? And you are celebrating here. People are celebrating you. But some of them, with the 5 of Swords, conflicted sila, na hindi nila lubos maisip paano siya naging masaya. I mean, bakit masaya siya na samantalang dami ng problema, ang dami niya sa mga tao lang na medyo malapit sa'yo. Okay. You know what I mean? Maybe, iniisip nila na, ano ka, nakikita nila yung potential mo, nakikita nila yung kung gaano ka, kung anong character mo. But at the same time, nagtataka sila, very conflicted sila sa sarili nila pag iniisip nila na you're good with your own. Para bagang mas masaya ka pa kung ikaw lang. What I mean, hindi ko sinabing nag-iisa ka or ayaw mo lang partner or ayaw mo lang friendship. Pero para bagang you're with your own world. You know what I mean? Kasi may mga tao kasi kailangan ng kasama. You know what I mean? Pero ikaw para bagang sa lahat ng bagay. Kasi parang feeling ang dami mo ng experience dito regarding sa people. People that you are dealing with from the very beginning. Okay, so dami mong lesson dito. So, pag pinakinggan mo yung intuition mo, Virgo, itong mangyayari sa'yo, magiging in the public eye ka. Love yourself more. I think you can see yourself at the end of the tunnel. Merong ilaw. Kung sa nakikita mo with the 2 of Wands here, hawak mo yung mundo, silip mo na. Kumbaga yung isang mong paa naka-step out na sa comfort zone mo. Okay. Kaya meron tayong 8 of Swords dito. It makes sense din. Okay. So, hayaan mo lang yung mga gossip eh. Gossip ko din na masasabi eh. Very conflicted sila sa makikita nila or ma-discover nila dito. One of these days, Virgo, or maybe you are currently already in the public eye, or parang nafe-feel mo once na may kinat off ka or once na nag-walk away ka into the situation, feel mo na mag-fall into place ito lahat. Okay? And there is a lot of people, majority of the people is going to question themselves. Para bagang very conflicted sila, napapaisip sila sa mga galawan mo, Virgo. Yun lang ang masasabi ko dito. Okay. Clarify natin ang Knight of Wands, Magician card, 4 of Pentacles, the Wheel, ang ganda, 10 of Swords, okay, the Devil card, and the Ace of Wands. Virgo, parang feeling ko maa-addict ka dito. Okay. With the Justice card. So, nakikita ko dito, Knight of Wands. As I said, you want to make things right. Okay. Meron kang manifestation dito, Virgo. Okay. Meron kang manifestation dito before. You are holding it in. Parang nag-hold on ka sa manifestation mo. Hindi mo naman sinabi. Hindi ko alam. Basta meron kang specific na manifestation na it's coming with the Wheel of Fortune. But with the 10 of Swords, I think clarify the 10 of Swords. 10 of Pentacles. 10 of Swords to the 10 of Pentacles with the Wheel of Fortune. Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, okay, with the Ace of Wands at saka the Devil, Virgo, magiging obsessed ka dito sa magiging bagong career mo. Kung ano man ang magkakaroon ka ng multiple source of income, okay, ang dami mong madidiscover na tao, Virgo. Ito take for granted ka, pero I think you are used to it before. Kasi nasa healing process ka na eh. Tapos, kapag nag-take place na yung destiny mo dito with the Judgment card, pag sinunod mo yung intuition mo dito, with the Judgment card, Star card, the Fool card, 9 of Pentacles, ito ka na. Tapos yung manifestation mo nandito na, nakapag-save ka na ng money, ang dami mo ng... May mga tao dito iti-take for granted ka pa rin. Okay. But anyways, that's life, diba? Magkakaroon ka dito ng multiple source of income, Virgo. Pero ang dami pa rin magte-take for granted sa'yo. Okay. Pero it is what it is. Ganun talaga. Okay. Ang dami mong betrayal na na-experience. I think with the Wheel of Fortune, it's your turn. Okay. It's your turn to show them. I think ang dami mo dito. Hindi ko naman sinabing show off ka or mag-flex ka ng grabe. Hindi ko naman sinabi na perke meron kang reading dito na magiging in the public eye ka is mag-flex ka na. Hindi, parang feeling ko humble ka pa rin with the 4 of Pentacles. Okay. Humble ka pa rin pero sa mata ng ibang tao, very conflicted sila kasi you know what I mean. Okay. Together with the Devil card and the Ace of Wands, you are going, nako, Parang feeling ko dito, ma-addict ka or ma-obsess ka. Ma-obsess ka sa the fact na ang daming multiple source of income na may encounter mo with the Wheel of Fortune. This is karma card. Gets mo over mo. Magician, you have all the tools. Meron kang cups, meron kang wands, meron kang swords, meron kang pentacles, meron kang infinity sa top ng head mo. Okay. But you are not, hindi ka masabi na mahangin. You know what I mean? Humble ka lang. Okay. Virgo, I think, follow your intuition, Virgo. Yun ang kakampin mo dito ngayon. Yung intuition. Bottom of the deck, the justice card. So, karma mo nga to, pre. Meron kang good karma incoming. Sa mga taong nag-take for granted sa'yo or sa mga taong mag-take for granted sa'yo in the future, let them, Virgo. Because with the Nine of Pentacles and the Ten of Pentacles, multiple source of income to, pre. Tingnan mo naman yan. Tingnan ano pang masasabi mo dyan, Brad. Just follow your intuition. Final judgment, calling mo to. Calling mo tong maging ano, maging star, maging in the spotlight with the full card. Huwag ka lang, ang sabi ng tawag dyan, yung trying hard, no? Just go with the flow. Because it will fall into your lap. Para bagang mahuhulog na lang yan sa harapan mo, nang hindi mo namamalayan na this is it. Kung feeling mo naglalak ka on something, keep on searching, follow your intuition, kasi parang feeling ko stuck ka on something eh. Okay, but the justice is here, the will is here. Okay, kung meron ka mang gustong mangyari, it will happen. Everything is in your favor, Virgo. You know what I mean? So, tingnan natin kung ano ang advice sa'yo, Virgo. Bahala ka na, Virgo, kung saan ka lalapag dyan. Kung saan ka makaka-resonate dyan. So, tingnan lang natin kung ano ang advice sa'yo. Advice for my Virgo, please. It's time to release negativity. Exactly, Virgo. Pero I think yun naman ang sasabihin ng intuition mo dito eh. Kasi nagbabalance ka dito ng negative at saka positive eh. Release mo yung mga negative thoughts mo, Virgo. It's not gonna work out kung negative ka. Just go with the flow, with the sun guard. Hindi ko naman sinabi na ganun kadali lang magsalita. Pero mahirap gawin. But it depends on you. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano meron sa'yo dito. Your dreams need a practical plan. Definitely. And your commitment is being tested. Okay, so Virgo, bahala ka na kung saan ka lalapag dyan. Meron ka na ditong adjustments are required. So, your commitment, commitment mo sa sarili mo. Okay. Tsaka kung ano man yung mga dreams and desires mo, parang feeling ko mag-a-analyzing ka ulit. Tingnan natin kung anong angel message number mo, Virgo. Let's see. Give me 3 cards, please, for Virgo. Nine. Nine, 3. 937, Virgo. Google mo yan. Baka makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. Bahala ka na, Virgo, kung saan ka lalapag dyan. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Sa mga makaka-resonate po, alam niyo na pong galawan. So, yes, Virgo, stay connected. Sa mga makaka-resonate, subscribe po. Alam niyo na po ang galawan. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Okay. Maring naganap na magaganap pa lang ang kasalukuyang nagaganap. This is what I have for you. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.